Snack time. Tea. And some crackers. But I don't like crackers. I love to eat chocolates. Just like this. I love it. But for now, I just want to eat one. Okay. Rob. Ang sarap. Isa lang yun, ha? Ang gusto ko pa. One more.